Decoding the Phrase Waffle. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving into the world of idiomatic English expressions, and we're focusing on the term waffle. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the meaning of this intriguing phrase but also how and when to use it. Waffle is a versatile word in the English language. On one hand, it refers to a delicious dish often eaten for breakfast. These are batter-based or dough-based cakes cooked in a waffle iron. They have a distinctive grid pattern and can be served with various toppings like syrup, fruits, and whipped cream. But waffle isn't just about food. When someone says, "Stop waffling," or "He's just waffling on," they're using the term in an idiomatic sense. In this context, to waffle means to speak or write at length in a vague or trivial manner. It implies that the person is not being direct or is avoiding coming to the point. For example, if you ask someone a question and they give you a long, rambling answer without really addressing the question, you could say, "They're just waffling." The term's origin isn't precisely clear. Some suggest it comes from the Scottish word waff, which means to yelp or to flutter. Over time, its usage shifted towards describing aimless talk. Today, it's mostly used in British English, but it's understood in other varieties of English as well. Now, let's look at a few examples to cement your understanding. 1. She asked him about his plans for the future, but he just waffled without giving a straight answer. 2. I hope I didn't waffle too much during the presentation. I wanted to be concise. 3. Avoid waffling in your essays. Be direct and to the point. There you have it. Waffle is not just a delightful breakfast item but also a way to describe vague or evasive speech. We hope this video has shed some light on this fun English phrase. Remember, language is full of these quirky terms, and mastering them can make your conversational skills shine. Happy learning!